This is important. If you have a Galaxy Watch 4 Classic or Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, you name it, have you always wondered if your watch is really waterproof? Well, there is some conflicting information. Well, we have some confirmation today that is actually not the case, but let's look at this. First, let's look at what Samsung US has to say. You go on their website, very easily accessible. It is under turn on waterlock mode. One thing I want to make very clear here, waterlock mode has nothing to do with the accidental water damage that can happen to your Galaxy Watch 4 or 5, right? All it does, it explains how to turn it on so you don't have any accidental touches for your touch screen on your watch. The important part here though is let's look at the first sentence that they're basically saying in the section turn on waterlock mode from quick settings. Let's have a look. Swim proof and ready for anything. Your watch will work in the pool. Let's remember that. Swimming pool, the rain, and even in the shower. So now, whilst this is widely available on the internet because everybody else is basically only pulling the information that Samsung gives everybody in terms of specification, let's have a look what really happens when you go swimming. And when you look at the first paragraph, it obviously says that this is what they claim, right? This is what they claim on their website. Here, the next part, the second paragraph, is the important part. Whilst it says you can use it in shallow water activities or for shallow water activities and not high pressure water. Also, many types of pool water is not suitable due to pH levels, which may cause damage to your wearables. Ouch, yes, that just came in from Samsung support confirming that you should not, and you cannot, well you can, you should not use it in any pool. This person, right, when we have another look, this person did not get anything back. And what he's saying, despite it being in its warranty period, they quoted more than the price I paid for the watch to get it fixed. So don't take it into any swimming pool because we have confirmation that it will not work. When you come back out, it may work, but most likely it will not. Thank you for watching. Peace out.